Hey friends, today on my desk we have a Laney dual foot switch for Laney MXD65 guitar amp. I recently serviced the MXD65 and when asking the owner about the foot switch, he told me that he has it in storage somewhere, but it was horribly noisy, so he never used it again. I mean, you don't need it on the MXD65, you can just push the button on the amp itself, but a foot switch is cool and way more convenient when playing live. A few weeks later, he eventually found it and now it's on the desk. Let's take a look. Okay, so I already did a thing. When he handed it to me, I took one look at the cable, whipped out the old Leatherman, and cut it off immediately. Can anyone tell me why? Yes, exactly. It was replaced with standard electrical cable, which will work, but I'm guessing it was contributing to the noise. Anyway, seeing that I've never opened up one of these before, it's going to be interesting. Or is it? It's not that interesting. No board, no caps or resistors. It's a simple, straightforward on-off switch. Easy then, he says. Right, let's look for some cable. I'm not going to put new cable on it just yet, reasons being 1, I don't have any new microphone cable at the moment, and 2, the owner is on a tight budget, so let's do him a solid and give him some cable. It's going to have to be pre-used stock I keep lying around for just such a job. Also, if you can afford to help someone out, do it. Look after your community and life will be a way better place to exist in, trust me. I digress. Cable. Sweet. Found some microphone cable. Why microphone cable, you ask? Well, we have 2 switches, which connects to the amp via a 6.35mm or 1/4 inch stereo jack, so mic cable should be perfect. It's also correctly shielded, giving you a very low noise signal. Let's get to work. Firstly, I'm going to desolder the old wires, but I'm going to leave the ground jumper wire in place. That actually looks like the original factory jumper wire. It gets a little bit fiddly, but nothing compared to soldering on tiny PCBs without a microscope. This is the disclaimer.
I'm not a professional, this is purely for fun, this is not a how-to video, this is not a guide to fix anything, this will end up with broken electronics in front of you and on your desk. Do not do as I do, I am but a fool, and fools like to play, I'm here to play.
Okay, that was unnecessarily fiddly. Anyway, that done, I'm going to tie a knot into the cable, then thread it through the casing so that there is no direct force on the solder joint. Wait, that's a cuck idea. I actually have some power cable grommet thingies, really not sure what they're called. Let's see if I have the correct size. Yes! Found one that will work. I love neat cables, makes me very happy and very much pleases the OCD part of my brain. Quick continuity test. Sweet, it works. Let's get the casing back together, and I need to go buy a stereo jack. One moment, please. Alright, it's been a few days actually. I've been to the audio shop and let's get this jack on. No explanations needed here. Just a quick continuity test to see if the jack is okay. It's perfect. Let's get soldering. And there we have it, one Laney dual foot switch repaired. Job done. Now, unfortunately, I can't test it on the amp because I don't have the amp here, but I'll post a short when I go drop the switch off at my mate's and give it a quick test. What I can do is test for continuity, so let's see. Boom, all good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked what you've watched here today, and follow us on our socials. All the links are in the description. Cheers, bye bye.